Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what I found on the USD Japanese yen is that we had a breakout actually quite a few times. I will show you on the, let's start from the hourly time frame. So we had basically this breakout initially. We had even here, we had the next day follow through. Yesterday the market sold off, but we never actually still building higher lows. So from that perspective, this morning actually at the end of, let's say yesterday at the end of the US session, we also had a rebreak. So for me, as long the price can remain below 144, I will say 144.16, 15. It's still in the strong potential bull cycle. Even despite also this is a good relative strength leader. The dollar index is down almost 0.5%. Gold, silver up, and copper up 2 or 1%. But USD Japanese yen is even up for the day. Even this CAD actually went down 0.3%. Chinese yuan is down like 0.6%. USD yen is holding relatively pretty well. And I expect upside continuation overall in the next period and potential for the retest of the 144.85. Also, there is even potential, there's stronger momentum, and so will not be surprised if we can see the test of the 147 mark and 147.50. So watch for buying opportunities on the intraday dips on this currency pair. Daily is also in a strong upside cycle. The weekly is also in a strong upside cycle. So yeah, lots of potential for the further upside movement. If we speak about gold market, we can see basically that market went to it traded on the lower Keltner, and then we fully rejected here in the last couple of days. We went rally. Also silver went almost 8% rally yesterday. So in that sense, silver is leading overall metals in terms of the percentage move. But from my perspective, since we already had a few days up, I will potential for the downside rotation or some neutral days also can be in the play. So market is extended, and if we watch the period of the last couple of days, we had like almost 4 days rally. So that's pretty extended market, and in that sense upside will not be preferable today. We're in the extended stage, and there is this 1728 level, which is actually a strong pivot in case of that further rally, but I will watch for some signs of the weakness, maybe some bear divergences on hourly. We can also see that hourly is building actually this bear divergence, but we need to see more evidence, right? You can see that hourly made a higher high, but also that is far away from making higher highs. So there is that divergence on hourly. Maybe it will take some time, I would like to see the supply to kick in. That we start to build lower highs and something, and then eventually for the rotation back the downside, maybe towards the 1695 or even lower. So watch potential rotation to the downside or to the extended and extreme condition on the gold. If we speak about the crude oil market, it's still quite in the balance, but we basically cleared the free bar balance at 80 and high at 83 mark, which is basically a very good sign that energy sector is basically literally waking up. And gasoline also is breaking this multi-week balance to the upside. So definitely upside energy sector, crude oil. We clear this 83, so watch for some buying opportunities on intraday dips on this market. And the next upside reference point that I have on the daily frame is 85, 80 mark or 86 mark, and then 89 mark. Going for the Bitcoin just to see overall Bitcoin is on the rally. It seems like we're trying to get away with this balance, multi-week balance. We can basically see that that market is breaking this balance, but still we have some extreme levels, 20,340 mark. We need to see how the price will react around this level. If we clear this, then we can open the door for 22,500. If we still reject or rotate to the downside, then maybe the lows can be in the play around 18,500 mark and 18,000 mark. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you enjoy, trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.